start on it. It's missing the key though. It's free. Spark plug's still in it.
Craftsman.
Yeah. Well, let's go ahead and load her up. Well, here's the mower. It's not in bad shape. Everything seems to be there apart from the electric start key, and I didn't check inside the battery box yet, but other than that, the engine seems to be complete. Shouldn't take much to get going again. So I guess first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the oil, see what kind of condition it's in, and we'll go from there. I don't know if you can see that, but the oil appears to be overfilled by quite a bit. And on top of that, it smells a little like gasoline too, so it must be a needle and seat issue in the carburetor. But that'll definitely have to get looked at. So the good news is I checked the fuel tank and it doesn't have any fuel in it. However, the bad news is there's a little bit of debris sitting on the bottom of the tank, so that will have to get cleaned out. Yeah. Okay, well, I couldn't find anything wrong with the old carburetor, so what I did was I went on Amazon and bought one of those carburetor rebuild kits. So inside here we got a fuel filter, some fuel line, a spark plug, a new air filter, and of course the brand new carburetor, which is hanging underneath the fuel line. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the new carburetor on, change the oil, and see if it'll start. Brand new air filter. Alright, got the oil changed, cleaned up the spark plug, got the new carburetor on. Let's see what it does. Well, I got the Craftsman lawnmower running again. runs pretty good. I did run for a little bit, and eventually all the smoke cleared up, so that's good. Unfortunately, I won't be able to cut any grass with it tonight because, for one thing, it's dark, and another thing, my lawn sprinklers came on. They'll be on until midnight, so. But anyways, this concludes today's video on the Craftsman lawnmower repair. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.